Hello everyone. Today I want us to see how we can create an NSSF account. How can we register a company to be able to contribute NSSF or provide NSSF contribution. So to register, we just visit NSSF portal. When you come to NSSF website, you come here, register, company register. When you go to company register, a link or a menu will be displayed. So it's displaying the menu. So under this, there are so many other. You can register for Smart Life, Flex Pay, Flex account. You can register a member. You can contribute. You can claim, submit a claim. So many things, opportunities under the website. I just encourage you to visit for your own benefit. So when you come to register your company, you can either use a TIN or use a business registration number. So when you use a business number, you come and then you type that registration number. After you click, you come and then you use a registration number. When you use a registration number, you click next. When you click next, it will load. So it gives you an allowance that for you can either use a TIN, because they know by the virtue of having a TIN, meaning you are registered. So you can use a business TIN or you can use a business registration number for that case. So for this case, we can use a business registration number, or additionally, we can use a TIN. In using a TIN, that means you are already having that TIN, you have already registered a TIN with the URA. So that's when you can be able to use a TIN. So it's either way for you to use a registration number or use a TIN. So so that's either way. We can also use a TIN. Can also use a TIN, that is 10. Let me say 58, 56. 131. So a TIN in Uganda, it has 10 digits. So you can see that this 4 here is missing, so I can add it there. So it has brought continue. You can click and continue. Now it has reflected. This is the company where you want to do what? To register from. So when you reach here, it will ask for a NIN. It will ask for a NIN. So as I was saying, you can use the other register number or TIN. Now we have pressed TIN, we have pressed the NIN, the email, and the contact number. So this NIN can be the person who will be helping to contribute for that particular company, and then the system will send what we call a one-time password. Sometimes we call it OTP. It will be sent to that person whose phone number is being given. Like when that person is changed, a contact phone number can be changed. So when you change that contact, so when you change, then you also details change. But he encourage you, whenever you change stuff regarding that, is when and then you do change.